Testing sa po ang chorizo made with love.
Si chorizo, skinless longganisa.
Oh, skinless longganisa din. Oh guys, sorry. Skinless longganisa made with love by Lang Lang. There. Freshly made. Just tonight. Let's see. Lamig ah.
May magic na.
Huh.
Masa daw?
Kasweet. Ay. Hindi man. Lamig.
Alang lagi siya.
Di ba taman lagi na ako
Nahan.
niya without
Si Blake, ganahan anak kay halang-halang.
lamig kung na
Man, kung mo, ano?
ha?
Ano ko tabangan kanino?
Daw mo ito eh. Ikuha lang tag-sample masang. Made by Chef Lang Lang.
Oh, asa man to kusko? Kasi ni nga ginaling yung palit sa pork shop. But meron siya dati. Special niya or
Special. Sa klaro ano, wala kayo tambok.
Hindi siya batik man nga batch.
We only make our skinless longganisa. Skinless longganisa with pure meat from pork shop.
Palit ko dapat. Dapat. Ano yung pamit?
Ang
Mas lami ang
Do not tell your ingredients in the camera.
imo na lang ikuan tit ano. I-mute ba?
So, ako be, ang kuan.
Manlano eh.
Napay daghan daw eh. Mas daghan dito nahimo atong last day.
Okay, 2 kilos man to. Akong gihimo. Ay, di ka tong ako ra isa. So, grabe kayo. Ako ra isa, 2 kilos to.
Oh, dito ra day.
Sino kakapoy ato? Grabe kito kakapoy ki.
Pila ka oras nagkimo ato?
Mo, pila ko ka oras ito. Mag-2 ka oras. Siguro tulo.
With kuan na. With mix na. Wala pa na. May hapit na. Pwede na na. Ano. So ang imong gisagol ni si tut 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 tut. Siya, hi chicks.
Sakto na na, okay?
Kana, luto na na. Always remember, pagod is taste.
Kasi pagod is taste.
Ano nga siya, kanang
Kala mo ka pagod is taste.
lagi.
Sakto na ni ay.
The pagod has taste. For own consumption naman sa ni guys. So we started our own longganisa back in the day when we realized there are plenty of preservatives that are used in the commercial longganisa, especially in hotdog. So back then, we were so concerned about our health. Okay, we don't know what the commercial longganisa they use for ingredients. Probably there's some chemicals to prolong the shelf life of the longganisa. So we decided, or Lang Lang decided to create his own or her own longganisa by the help of Mama Bibi.
Tosino, kamama.
Oh, so Lang Lang's mom has a small business back then, a Tocino business, and it was growing, but then they got older, so they got tired of making Tocino, so they just kuan na lang. They stopped. And one of the recipes there was also a longganisa. That's what Lang Lang is making now. So lahi na to ang mga ingredients sa una guys. Kaya ang katong ingredients sa una was kanang binaratura to. Kani kay minahalo naman. Made with mahal. With lava. Mao na siya guys. So we are always secure, or we are always 100% sure na we are eating pure meat from a fresh source of pork, and also the ingredients used is not harmful to our bodies. So it's all natural ingredients. So, mao na siya guys. So, we're trying one right now. Ang katong first na mo ang gitilawan.
Kera.
So, the first one, I added my own ingredient to make it spicy. Now, this is the original one. So yummy. Lamay siya guys. No, and we're very happy that we're making our own breakfast food.